Look, he's drooling everything.
Baby, do it again.
You like getting daddy with eggs there? I don't think that's going to fit in there. Just put a peanut butter thing on there or something.
I saw one. That was smart where you put it, babe. He almost hit it, actually. Vinny, you almost hit it. Oh!
Oh, one down.
Yay!
Everything's on the patio.
Is that out there?
Nope.
And if you know there's no more eggs, there is an egg.
You're warm. That doesn't count. That van just ripped that off.
How am I warm?
You're getting colder now. Warmer. Warmer. Warmer.
Is it fire?
Nope. A little colder.
Is it in there?
Come here, Vinny. I'll show you something. Look at the cam. Come here.
I said no cheese.
No cheating. Oh! I thought you opened that already.
Real hot.
And so Winnie the Pooh climbed the honey tree. He climbed and he climbed and he climbed. And as he climbed, he hummed a little hum.
Baby, make him laugh
And
again.
I call it my rumbly and my tumbly song.
Yes, and it went something like this.
Hum-dum-dee-dum, hum-dum-dee-dum. I'm so rumbly in my tumbly. Ooh. Time to munch an early lunch and hum-dee-dum-dum-dum. Oh, I wouldn't climb this tree
Babe, I'll
if a poo flew like a bee. But I wouldn't be a bear then, so I guess I wouldn't care then. Bears love honey and I'm a pooh bear, so I do care, so I climb there. I'm so rumbly in my tumbly. Time for something sweet to eat. If only I hadn't. You see what I meant to do?
Okay.
Well, it all comes, I suppose. I'm liking honey so much. Oh, bother.
Sandy, go get it. Go get it. Go climb. You can do it. You can do it, Vanley. Oh, there. Go. Go get it, Vanley. Go. No, you can do it. Go. Go. Go, Vanley. Go. Go get it. Go get it. Go. Go. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Here, look. Ooh, all of you. Get it. I know. Work, family, work. Where are you going? Yeah, you gave up already? Good job! Good job! Oops! You have to go all the way, Vanley. Ay, 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 big pot. Again. Good job. Be careful now, okay? Love you. Ay, ay, ay.
Well, I got you some something if you hold still. Quick.
Vinny used to cry. Okay, here. It's your turn.
Wearing out now.
It's just Daddy. It's Daddy, Balloon. Okay, we'll take a bath after, okay?
I'm ready to quit.